Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the polynomials chapter. So first should know what is meant by a polynomial. Okay. Polynomial means the power of any variable which is there in algebraic expression should be non-negative integer. Then that algebraic expression is said to be called as polynomial. Example, x power 2 by 3 plus 5 is that x power 2 by 3 power of x. It is not an integer. It is a rational number. P by Q form and rational number. So x power should be non-negative integer. Means it should be like a 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. But here 2 by 3 is not a non-negative integer. Integers means 0, positive numbers and negative numbers. Negative numbers should not be there, he said. Means from 0 to infinity you can. So being x power 2 by 3, power of x is not a non-negative integer, it is not a polynomial. Next, x power minus 3 plus 5x square plus 3x plus 2. It is also not a polynomial because x power, what you are saying, negative number you are saying. So it should be non-negative, but x power negative you saw. If one term is having negative power also, it is the entire algebraic expression is not a polynomial. So now, in these polynomials, we should know what is the degree of the polynomial. Degree means what? If 3x plus 5 is there, x power, what is there here? No number means 1. This is said to be called as linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. If anyone will ask what is linear polynomial, an algebraic expression in which the degree of the polynomial is 1, then that algebraic expression is said to be called as linear polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomial. So 3x square plus 5x plus 6. You can say its definition very easily. What is the degree of this polynomial? 2. If degree is 2, if it is a polynomial, then it is said to be called quadratic polynomial. So if degree is 3, so if degree is 3, degree means, what is meant by degree? Degree means highest power of the variable. Here see, x power 1 is smaller, x power 2 is smaller, x cube. This 3 is only the greatest power of x. Then this 3 is said to be called as what? Degree. So degree of this entire polynomial is 3. If degree is 3, this is said to be called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. These polynomials you should understand perfectly, means in 9th class also polynomials chapter will be there. If you are thorough in that one, then you will understand about 10th class. Now, we will see exercise 3.1. They given p of x is equals to 5x square, 5x power 7 minus 6x to the power of 5 plus 7x minus 6. What is the coefficient of x to the power of 5? Coefficient means x power 5 is multiplied with which number? With symbol, including symbol you should say. X power 5 you are multiplying with what here? Minus 6. This entire minus 6 is called the coefficient of x power 5. Next, degree of p of x. Degree means what I said? Highest power. The question is here 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6. Here what is the variable? X is variable. Variables powers, if you see, no power means 1. No variable means degree is 0, power is 0. 0, 1, 5, 7. 7 is the greatest one. What is the degree of this polynomial p of x? Very good, 7. 7th degree polynomial. Next, what is the constant term? Constant term. Constant means where you are not seeing x. Here x you are seeing, here you are seeing x, here you are seeing x. In this, are you seeing x here? No. Therefore, this is called constant terms. So, what is constant term here? Minus 6. If you write only 6 is wrong. Whatever term he is asking, with symbol you should write it. Next, second question. State which of the following statements are true and which are false. Give reasons for your choice. So simply true or false. He is asking true or false. The degree of the polynomial root 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. So here root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1. Degree he is asking. You should know the definition for degree of the polynomial. What is variable here? X is variable. Variable's highest power is what? 2. So what is the degree? Degree is 2. But what he given? He given degree is root 2. Actually what is root 2? Root 2 is coefficient of x square. So is true or false? Obviously it is false. Next now, the coefficient of x square in the polynomial p of x is equals to 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7 is 2. See, 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7 is 2 he given. What he is saying? Coefficient of x square. Identify x square first. It is x square. Coefficient means what I said? X square is multiplying with which number including symbol. So x square is multiplying with minus 4 or not? Minus 4 is coefficient of x square. But what he given? 2 he given. True or false? False. The degree of a constant term is 0. 3 is constant term. 3 can be written as 3 into 1. X power 0. Any base, if its power is 0, its value is 1. In place of 1, I written x power 0. What is the power of x here? 0. So, if 3x power 0 is there, x power highest power of the variable is called degree. Only you have 3x power 0. Power of x, what you have here? 0 only. Only one term is there, that's power of x is 0. So degree is what here? 0 only. So 3 constant term. For any constant term, the degree is nothing but 0. Is true. Next, 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. First of all, it is not a polynomial. Why? X square minus 5x plus 6 is there in the denominator. So it is not a polynomial. Okay. The degree of polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms in it. The degree of a polynomial is, see, true or false you have to say. Okay. What he said, he given definition. The degree of a polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms in it. 5x square plus 3x plus 2 is there. So how many terms are there here? 1, 2, 3. What he is saying is degree is nothing but how many terms are there? One more than that is called degree. So it is wrong because what is degree? I said highest power of the variable is called degree. Degree is 2 here. But according to the question, if you want to say here 3 terms are there, one more than 3 means 4. Degree of this polynomial is 4, you have to say. Is wrong, no? Like that. Next, third question. What is third question? P of t is equals to t cube minus 1. You have to find P of 1. P of t means polynomial in terms of t. Means here variable is what? T here. P of 1 means in place of t substitute 1 in RHS. T 1. 1 cube minus 1. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. 1 only minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the value of P of 1? 0. Next P of minus 1. Again what you have to write? In place of t you should write minus 1. Minus 1 cube. You should not write like this. See it. T means minus 1. For entire t power is 3. So you have to write like this. Means minus 1 whole cube means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So you are getting minus 1 minus 1. Both are minus means minus 2. What is the value of P of minus 1? Minus 2. Like that you can write P of 0, P of 2, P of minus 2, etc. And fourth question. What is fourth question? Check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial x power 4 minus 16. X power 4 minus 16. P of minus 2, P of 2. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial x power 4 minus 16. So, in place of x if you substitute minus 2, entire polynomial value if you got 0, then minus 2 is called 0 of the polynomial. It is a definition. Now what you have to say is, what you have to do is, in place of x you have to write minus 2. Minus 2 whole power 4 minus 16. Minus 2 whole power 4 means minus 2 should be right, you have to write 4 times and multiply. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So you got here 16 minus 16. How much you got? 0. If P of minus 2 is equal to 0, means at x is equal to minus 2, P of minus 2 you got entire value as 0. This minus 2 is called 0 of polynomial. Same like this. In place of x write 2. Instead of minus 2 write 2. Again how much you got here? 2 power 4 minus 16. Here previously written minus 2. 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 4 times. You will get 16 only. So 2 is called 0 of polynomial. So I hope that this problem or exercise 3.1 is completed. In next class we will go for 3.2. Okay. So